I'll show you how to make your Facebook account private. Facebook has multiple privacy settings, so you can control who can see your posts, your profile information, and even who can find you on the platform. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. First, let's talk about why privacy settings are important. Protect your personal information. Limit who can see your profile details, posts, and interactions. Control visibility. Keep your posts visible only to friends or specific people. Stay safe online. Minimize unwanted friend requests and messages from strangers. With Facebook's privacy settings, you have control over who can see what on your profile. Now, let's start adjusting those settings. Open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged in. Tap the menu, the 3 lines in the bottom right. Tap on the settings icon from the top. One easy way to verify how your profile is seen by others on Facebook is to tap on the option Privacy Cleanup from the section Tools and Resources. Tap on Who can see what you share. Now, let's tap on Continue. Here we will see lots of settings that have different types of visibility. We need to go on Everyone and select the most private option that we can find. What are these privacy options? On the Select box, we will find some options like Public, Friend, and Only Me. Let me explain every option. First, there's the Public option. This means your information can be seen by absolutely anyone, whether they're on Facebook or not. Even people who aren't signed in to Facebook can view it. This setting is great for sharing updates, promotions, or anything you're okay with being widely accessible. Next, there's the Friends option. Choosing this means that only the people on your friends list can see your info. It's the go-to choice for personal updates meant for your social circle. But what if there are some friends you don't want to see your post? That's where Friends Accept comes in. This lets you share with all your friends while specifically excluding certain individuals, like coworkers or family members. On the flip side, you might have a post you only want to share with a small, specific group of friends. For that, you can use the Specific Friends option. This allows you to pick and choose who gets to see your content, perfect for inside jokes or personal news. For maximum privacy, the Only Me setting ensures that only you can see the post. Info under this option is completely private and visible only to you. This is handy if you're saving something as a draft or testing out a post before publishing it. Adjust the privacy on every option to have the most privacy for what you want to share. If you want to make your Facebook private, you need to put all the options with Only Me. I will not do all of this as it will take me too much time, but you understood the point. Now, after you have finished updating all settings, tap on Next. You can now update the default sharing for your posts and the data you add from now on. You can put friends or even a custom list of people you want only your data to be shared with. An important option from this page is the Limit Past Post. All the old posts you added on Facebook are with the old privacy settings. If you want to put a new privacy, you need to change it for every share. The option to limit past posts is important, as it will allow you to set the privacy for these posts without doing this manually. Please remember, if you do this and want to change this setting later, you will have to do it manually. Tap Next after you have done this option. You can also block people you do not wish to see your content. Now tap Next. Now you have done a big important part for your account to be private. Now go back to the settings page. Scroll down until you reach Audience and Visibility. Here you can enter every option and set the visibility as I explained. You can set all the options to Only Me to be private. And there you go. Now you know how to make your Facebook account private. Adjusting these settings will help protect your privacy and control who can see your information. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more social media tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.